Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Lover's Dangerous, chapter 47. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Wang Yuner and Oh Chansi. Well, that depends on how you gain weight. Now, Oh Chansi, she was teasing Wang Yuner. At this moment, it seems to be she's not feeling well. Look at her eyes, and also, it's really turning red. It seems that she looks really unwell. Well, definitely, Wang Yuner. Oh Chansi is trying to calm her down, but her face still turning red. Wang Yuner said to Oh Chansi she wanted a kiss and a drink. Oh, this girl is really getting tricky. Well, what about Chancy? It seems that she was laughing, seeing her face. Even though she really feels not good, she can really trick her so much, and it really makes sense to her. Wang Yuner, Chancy, she become closer to her. Huh, you don't want to kiss me, Wang Yuner said to her, but still, she getting closer to Chancy. And Ochansi said, that one. Well, finally, she seems to be getting cocks. Ochansi, she moved closer to Wang Yuner. Wang Yuner still keeps staring on hers and said, I'll take the initiative to kiss her. Oh, this is really sweet, right? At least right now, Wang Yuner is the one who keeps pressing her, even though the two of them are really getting closer. It seems that she was going to kiss her without her any hesitations, but it seems that Oh Chansi, Wang Yuner is not ready. She was holding her, and she only kissed her hand. But looking at her condition, it seems that she really feels worsened. Also, it seems that she is going to pass out. Hey, although, but I don't want to infect you with my cold. Well, Ochansi said to her, do you think, Juan? Well, still, she was putting down the glass of water onto the table and she wants to attend Wang Yuner, but still, she kisses her even though she knows that she's having colds. Oh, Chancy said, do I care about this? Oh, this girl, she is really getting tricky, right? She knows that, oh, Chancy, still, she's really get sick, but for Wang Yuner, it doesn't care about that, and now she kissed her gently. After seeing the expressions of Wang Yuner, of course, Oh Chancy, she keeps staring on hers and said, this kiss is so hot. Well, looking at Wang Yuner, she is really feeling hot even though she got cold. Now, still, she really kissed her gently, without any hesitation, that Wang Yuner, she is still not restraining herself even though she knows that she might be infected by the colds of hers. 10 minutes later, still, the two of them are kissing. It seems that they're really having aspasia. Well, definitely, it's really hard to breathe. Now, she's trying to stop Ochensi, but Ochensi said to her, what's wrong? Probably, she's not feeling well at this time. That's why she keeps staring on hers. But Wang Yuner, you kissed me for too long this time. It turns out that what written in a book about kissing until suffocation is true. Wang Yuner said to Ochensi, well, since, because it's not the first time people, appetites is getting bigger and bigger, so, well, kissing's no longer satisfies you. Well, Ochensi, Wang Yuner, right now, she keep asking her a question. Well, this is what you said. Ochensi said to Wang Yuner. Now, she was holding her cheeks, and probably she really wanted to kiss her again. But this time, Wang Yuner, what I'm saying, it must be a virus that invaded my brain and she is getting lowered into number 10. Well, definitely, she is really getting confused since she was still sick and also there's a lot of things on her mind. But why? Why her face is so red? It's because of the illness, Wang Yuner said to her. But now it seems that a kiss can cure a silly person. Now, Wang Yuner, she's getting teased by Old Chancy. Now she was snorting and also got the upper hand. Still, be good and finish the drinking. I'll give you something. All chances said to Wang Yuner. Well, what do you think? What is she going to give her? Is this a reward for her for being good? Well, still, she was gladly drinking the water and then she was asking, where's the gift? Oh, this girl. She got really excited about the gift that Urgency is trying to give her. It seems that this is a ticket. Your play can be finished this week. Oh, a concert ticket. It seems to be a surprise for her. Well, definitely, she liked that. Let's go to a concert together. Concert? Why do you suddenly want to hear this? Now, makes sense. She got really confused. And also, she was thinking about this. But Oceansy said to her, you will know if you listen to it. Oh, this really means that it was a surprise date for her. Well, definitely, it was really a surprise date, right? Well, don't worry, I'm happy, no matter what I do with you. Well, she's really happy. Wang Yuner, she keeps smiling and also, she's really happy. Oh, Chances said she is happy too. Well, still, her face, it's really turning red. And oh, Chansey, she keeps staring at her beautiful face. And also, it seems to be, she is really feeling better. I hope it is appropriate to use this method to find out what's on my mind. Oh, Chansey said to her. Well, is she going to find out what's wrong with Wang Yuner? Well, definitely, she was plotting something. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Memberships already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.